Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. Ms. Lauren here with a brand new science video. Now, I was really inspired by the vinegar and egg experiment Ms. Ellie showed y'all. So, I wanted to try another vinegar-related activity since most of us have vinegar at home. So, you know how sometimes you find a penny heads up on the ground, which is good luck, by the way. But it's kind of dirty and dull. It doesn't really have any shine to it. Well, did you know that regular water won't really get it to shine? But there's a special chemical reaction that will make those lucky pennies brighten up. So you'll need a cup, some vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, which I am balancing right here, yes, and of course your pennies. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some vinegar in the cup. Oh! Vinegar has that smell, right? Just enough to kind of cover up the pennies. I think that's enough. And next, we're going to plonk the pennies in. If you want to take a look at my pennies. One's kind of got a little shine to it. The other one is super dull, see? So we're going to plonk those in. Try not to get any splashback, gentle plonks. All right, so they're in there. And now we're going to add the salt. Here it comes, the salt. Ooh, I feel like such a scientist. Whoosh. Now we let them soak, and in a bit, we're going to see what happens. So you can kind of reach in and rub them to speed it along. Make sure not to touch your eyes or your mouth until you wash your hands, because nobody wants to taste vinegar in their mouth or in their eyeballs. So, the reason the pennies will start to shine is because the vinegar and the salt react to each other and they remove the thing that's making the pennies dull. Now, if you wait a little bit, the pennies are going to be much shinier, but you need to make sure that you rinse them off with water not too long after you take them out, because otherwise they'll start to turn a blue-green color when they're exposed to the air that we breathe. And this is actually the same thing that happened with the Statue of Liberty. That's why it's that blue-green color. We're not really aiming to make our pennies blue-green, but I guess you could if you wanted to see that happen. Look, they're already getting brighter. Remember how dull they were before? It's like magic, except it's science. Maybe science is magic. So you can let them soak and they'll get really, really bright and shiny. But like I said, remember to rinse them off. Well, that's it for me, everyone. I'm going to dry my hands here and then go wash my hands so I don't have that vinegar on my fingers anymore. I hope that you give this a try, and maybe later this week you can show me your shiny lucky pennies on one of our Zoom calls. All right, everybody. That's it, and I hope you have a day that's as awesome as you are. Bye-bye.